In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter sign-up at checkout in Squarespace. By the end, your customers will have a clear, optional way to join your mailing list right when they're completing a purchase, which can boost repeat sales and keep your audience engaged. First, open your site's dashboard and click the settings icon at the bottom left. It looks like a small gear, and it's the control center for everything behind the scenes. This is where you'll make site-wide adjustments that apply to commerce, checkout, and customer data. Inside Settings, head to Selling. This area is dedicated to your store setup, so it's where you'll find product, payment, and checkout options grouped together. If you're already taking payments or planning to, this is the place you'll return to often. Next, go to Checkout. Think of checkout as the final step of your customer's journey and the best place to offer a simple, respectful opt-in. Here, you'll manage what information you ask for and what optional choices appear on the checkout page. Now, enable email sign-up. You'll see a toggle that turns on the newsletter opt-in right on your checkout form. When you switch it on, customers will see a checkbox they can select to join your list. This keeps consent explicit and clear, which is great both for trust and for compliance in many regions. If your brand tone is friendly or formal, don't worry. You can match that in the next step. Click Settings to configure it. This is where you refine the details. Edit the opt-in label so it clearly explains what subscribers can expect. Choose which mailing list the sign-up feeds into and adjust any default behaviors offered by your template. If you use Squarespace email campaigns or a connected email service, this is typically where the opt-in will route new subscribers. Keep your message short, transparent, and benefit-driven. For example, mention updates, exclusive offers, or early access in plain language. If your audience spans different regions, consider using straightforward consent language and, where appropriate, enabling double opt-in through your email provider for added confirmation. As you tweak these settings, aim for clarity. Customers should immediately understand what they're signing up for. That's it. Your newsletter sign-up is now part of the checkout flow. Take a moment to preview your checkout to see how the wording looks and make any small adjustments for tone and readability. Clear copy and a clean layout typically lead to higher opt-in rates without distracting from the purchase.